Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add table of contents in Notion. So let's get started. Structure your page. Ensure that your page is structured using heading blocks such as heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. This step informs Notion about the organized and hierarchy of your content. Use heading blocks to designate different sections of your document. For example, use heading 2 for main sections and heading 3 for subsections. Press the / key and type TA to find the table of contents block. Select it to insert the block into your page. Notion automatically generates a well-organized list of all the headings in your page, presenting them as separate anchor links. These links allow readers to quickly navigate to specific sections within the page. Clicking on the anchor links in the table of contents will direct you to the corresponding sections within the page. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!